Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where real classic motorcycles meet real prices. Today's 2026 market list proves that vintage bikes are still out there if you know where to look. Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson XLCR, Berwyn, Illinois, $4,650. A 1980 Harley-Davidson XLCR is one of the most unique sportsters ever produced, blending American V-twin character with Cathay racer styling straight from the factory. This example, listed in Berwyn, Illinois, shows around 20,000 miles and remains largely original, which is increasingly rare for XLCR models. Powered by the Airhead 1000cc engine, the XLCR delivers a raw, mechanical riding experience that feels completely different from modern Harleys. The bike reportedly runs and rides well, with only a small dent on the fuel tank noted from transport. With its low handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, and distinctive silver-gray paint scheme, the XLCR was ahead of its time. At $4,650, this listing represents a relatively accessible entry point into one of Harley-Davidson's most collectible late AMF-era models. Number 2. 1974 Suzuki GT750 LeMans, Rochester, New York, $12,900. The Suzuki GT750, famously nicknamed the Water Buffalo, holds a special place in motorcycle history as Japan's first mass-produced liquid-cooled two-stroke street bike. This 1974 Le Mans example in Rochester, New York, shows just over 21,000 miles and has received extensive mechanical attention. New Wiseco pistons, updated coatings, rebuilt components, and fresh rubber throughout suggest this bike has been carefully maintained rather than simply displayed. The GT750's smooth power delivery and unique exhaust note make it a standout even today. Finished in a bold orange color, this bike captures the height of 1970s performance engineering. With spare parts included and a strong service history, the $12,900 asking price reflects both its condition and its growing collector demand in the 2026 vintage market. Number 3. 1972 Triumph Bonneville 650, Burton, Michigan, $3,250. The Triumph Bonneville 650 remains one of the most recognizable British motorcycles ever built, combining classic styling with a lively parallel twin engine. This 1972 example in Burton, Michigan is priced at $3,250 and represents a project-friendly classic rather than a finished show bike. The seller notes that it previously ran but has been stored for several years, making it a potential recommissioning candidate. Visually, the bike appears complete and unmodified, which is a strong starting point for restoration or preservation. The Bonneville's timeless design, manageable size, and massive aftermarket support continue to attract both new collectors and experienced enthusiasts. For buyers comfortable with light mechanical work, this listing offers an affordable way to enter the British classic motorcycle world. Number 4. 1977 Honda Goldwing, Waynesboro, Virginia, $2,700. Honda's Goldwing has earned its reputation as one of the most durable touring motorcycles ever built, and this 1977 example proves that legacy. Listed in Waynesboro, Virginia, this bike shows higher mileage but remains a daily rider with inspections valid into 2026. Upgrades like a Delcovic exhaust, progressive shocks, and refreshed braking components suggest ongoing care rather than neglect. The flat-4 engine is known for smooth power delivery and long-term reliability when properly maintained. Despite its age, this Goldwing continues to offer comfort, stability, and practicality that few vintage bikes can match. At $2,700, it stands out as one of the most usable classics on this list, ideal for riders who value function as much as nostalgia. Number 5. 1974 Moto Guzzi 850, Jackson, Missouri, $1,950. Moto Guzzi's 850cc models are widely respected for their durability, shaft drive reliability, and distinctive transverse V-twin layout. This 1974 example in Jackson, Missouri shows under 16,000 miles and is priced at just $1,950. The seller notes that it may need a battery and possible carburetor cleaning, but otherwise remains in very good condition for its age. These bikes are known for stable handling and strong mid-range torque, making them enjoyable on both back roads and longer rides. Often considered among Moto Guzzi's best engineered machines, the 850 offers character without excessive complexity. For buyers seeking an affordable European classic with long-term ownership potential, this listing represents excellent value. Number 6. 1971 Yamaha DT, Johnson City, Tennessee, $6,000. Early Yamaha DT models helped define the dual sport category, combining street legality with genuine off-road capability. This 1971 Yamaha DT listed in Johnson City, Tennessee, shows fewer than 2,500 miles since new, making it an exceptional survivor. Largely original with tasteful cosmetic updates, the bike reportedly looks almost new despite its age. Lightweight, simple, and mechanically straightforward, the DT offers a riding experience that feels playful and engaging. Its high ground clearance and torquey engine made it popular in the early 1970s, and that appeal continues today. At $6,000, this example targets collectors seeking originality and condition rather than a rough trail bike. Number 7. 1974 Husqvarna WR, Arcade, New York, $4,500. Husqvarna's WR models are legendary in vintage off-road circles, known for their lightweight frames and strong two-stroke performance. This 1974 WR in Arcade, New York is described as running well and ready to ride. These bikes were built for competition, and their simplicity makes them appealing to vintage racers and collectors alike. With minimal extras and a focus on function, the WR delivers a raw riding experience rarely found in modern machines. The $4,500 asking price reflects its usability rather than concourse presentation, making it attractive to riders who want to enjoy vintage dirt riding rather than just display it. Number 8. 1982 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD, Nancy, Kentucky, $1,500. The Kawasaki KZ550 LTD represents early 1980s Japanese reliability wrapped in cruiser-inspired styling. This example from Nancy, Kentucky is priced at $1,500 and was reportedly ridden regularly before developing carburetor issues. With a clean title and mostly complete condition, it offers a straightforward mechanical project. The KZ series is known for robust engines and readily available parts, making ownership relatively affordable. For budget-minded buyers in 2026, this listing offers a classic riding platform with low entry cost and strong usability once sorted. Number 9. 1973 BMW R75/5, Jacksonville, North Carolina, $4,000. BMW's R75/5 is a cornerstone of the brand's Airhead legacy, prized for smooth operation and long-distance reliability. This 1973 example in Jacksonville, North Carolina, features modern upgrades like Mikuni carburetors and electronic ignition, while retaining its original character. With visible patina and honest wear, it's clearly a rider rather than a museum piece. The Boxer engine provides a balanced, relaxed riding experience that has kept these bikes relevant for decades. At $4,000, this R75/5 offers a compelling mix of classic styling and real-world usability. Number 10. 1979 Kawasaki KZ550, Lansing, Michigan, $700. Rounding out the list is a true budget classic, a 1979 Kawasaki KZ750 in Lansing, Michigan, priced at just $700. The bike runs well but needs a battery, making it one of the most affordable entry points into vintage motorcycling today. Equipped with hard luggage and a clear Michigan title, it offers practicality rarely seen at this price level. While not a collector showpiece, the KZ750's inline-4 engine is known for strength and reliability. For buyers seeking a low-risk project or an inexpensive classic commuter, this listing stands out. That's today's 2026 snapshot of the classic motorcycle market. For real listings, real prices, and vintage bikes that still exist in the wild, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and ride the market with us.